Hey, how you doing, ladies and gentlemen? Today is May the 17th. It's around about 9:40 in the morning. So today I already made my trades and did pretty good. However, I wanted to actually take this time to actually kind of get you sped up of what happened last week. Everything's really good. My family's doing tremendously well now. I'm going to start updating the Coffee and Profit reports. And just start doing more videos to kind of get you engaged to what to look for in the market. So look forward to that. We're in a really good space to continue putting out content that's going to help you get to that next level or even to get started. Okay, so that being said, one of the things I know is kind of the craze right now is cryptocurrency errors. Like, should I get into it? I'm going to be honest with you. Why even ask that question? Of course you should get into it, right? You should. Anything where you can kind of control your finances or your future in the world of finance, you should be involved in it. Okay? You should be involved with it. Believe it or not, in the 401ks and 403bs, whatever you have, you're involved. You're putting in all the money and taking all the risks. If they lose that year in your 401k or 403b, guess what? They still getting paid. You're taking all the risks. And you may say, oh, but they match. No, they matching with your money. You know, so everything, yes. If it takes you a little bit more time to learn basic economics, basic market movement, market fluctuation, you should learn it. I think it's very important. Cryptocurrency is no different than anything else in the financial world. Okay, absolutely should be partaking. Right now, it's a nosedive. What's a cliche you hear everybody recite, but they never do it? Buy low, sell high. If the market looking bearish right now, which means like it's dropping, guess what you should be doing? Buying, right? And then when it pop back up, sell. If you want to make profit, you know what I mean? But no, what we do is I don't wait till it go back up. So you're going to buy high and then sell low. And that's why people tank their accounts when we're talking about the world of investing and trading. Because they say one thing, but their actions is to do something totally different. So this is the time, yes, I would say jump in there. Jump in there. You know, there's blood on the streets. This is where you want to make the investments, right? I know some of you probably won't like this, but it'll probably be a very uncomfortable conversation, but I'm going to have it with you right now. Gentrification. What you think they're doing? They waiting till the neighborhoods are tip-top shape? No. They wait till the neighborhoods get dragged down to the mud, to the dirt. Then they'll come back in and push those people out and build it back up to a better glory day. And now their area or their property is worth 3-4 times as much as it was before. Okay? So they buying low, selling high. Buying a house for $60,000 and then reselling it for somewhere around about $300,000-$500,000. So what I'm saying, guys, this is the time to get into the market. Okay, so what I'm going to do in this video, underneath this video, you're going to see my 6-video course that you should go to on YouTube. All right, watch it, see if you really want to get involved with this thing, right? And then after that, go and DM me, and I'll give you access to my Bootcamp once you set up a live account. Because if you don't have an account, why are you going to watch the Bootcamp for? What is it going to do you? What good is it going to do you? Okay, if you can't get the information you need from the 6-video YouTube course, there's no need for anything for us to go any further. I'll be honest with you. You're just trying to talk yourself out from moving forward. And I can't be a part of that. You know, when you're ready to move forward, I'm going to continue feeding you, okay? But if you just on the fence, I don't know. Listen, you will never know. You will never know until you actually step out there and go do it. So, listen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm I'm happy to be here with you. I'm happy to be your profit coach. I'm going to show you how to get the money once you get into the market, but you got to participate. You can't sit on the sidelines just wondering, is this a scam? The market is older than you. If you're watching this video, the market is older than you, and it's still haven't been and it's still here. It's not going away. The only scam that you probably experienced in your life was the stuff that people have told you that you couldn't do, and you believed it. Listen, guys, take your financial future back into your own hands. If you haven't learned anything about the crypto market, that's exactly what it has done for a lot of people. Okay, you don't have governments controlling your funds. You can control your funds. Okay, and I'm just saying, listen, with the futures market, I think it's a great vehicle, right? I think it's a tremendous vehicle, because what it's going to do is allow you to make money to put into the crypto. That stuff that you get from your jobs, if you work in a job, that's for you to pay your bills. Okay, so you make investment money to make you more money. That's how I play the game. And I think it's wise for you to play the game that way. Okay, don't when you first come in here trying to make this replacement job money. I think that's foolish. Your first job is beat the bank. If you had $2,000 or $1,000 in the bank today, how much would you make in a year? Okay, can you beat that in the financial markets? You absolutely can. If you could do that, then we can move on. Okay. To hitting higher goals, okay? But your first thing is to beat the bank. That's the number one thing, okay? They're making more money off your money in the bank than you are making money in the bank, with your money in the bank. If you think that's fair, keep on playing their game. If you really want to take charge of your financial future, come on, let's get it. All right? Hey, listen, guys, have a lovely morning. Today is Monday. Listen, let's get that work in. All right, let's get the work in, and I'll see you on the next video, and I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.